big old Fleetwood Fortis or a Winnebago. Which way are you gonna go, babe?
I've only seen a couple of these. I mean, unless you want to look at a couple that are less expensive, like that one's only $160.
No, that's pretty.
This one's only $140.
Coachmen Encore. It's a 2026 Bourbon and Bonfire. I'm guessing that's for camping with your barbecue buddies. Lots of outdoor storage. I like how they... This one is you enter behind the driving area. Looks like we got a Ford chassis, a bunk that can be lowered, screen door. The finishings are not quite as high end in this one, I would say, the materials. Coachmen 2026 Encore B&B. 3-burner gas stove, cooktop, large sink, good size refrigerator, lots of storage, large TV and fireplace. So you've got 2 convertible bed areas there, recliner sofas. You come back, we've got underbed storage, lots of underbed storage here in this queen compartment. A lot of master storage, actually. Did they have that folded up, or did you do it?
It was folded up, but I partially pulled it down. They got some drawers here and a shoe locker there. And then it pulls down pretty easy. I'm not pulling very hard.
Nice.
And it still leaves plenty of room to move around.
This is a lot of storage.
Yeah.
Door, so you can close it off.
Yeah.
TV. Very nice shower. Look at that. You
Yeah,
got
I know,
all
it's
the bells and
pretty
whistles. Very
Easily
nice.
a 1.5 person shower.
1.5 person
like it.
shower.
I
Oh,
like
it's
it.
pretty nice. I do like it.
Well, this is the Bourbon and Bonfire edition that they built for say on the wall. Bourbon and Bonfire. It's signed by Billy.
Oh yeah.
Bob Thornton.
Billy Bob
Well,
Thornton.
look at that.
Matter of fact, they're playing
Limited
last night or
edition.
tonight.
13 out of 20.
I think they're coming.
They're coming, or
I think
they're
it's beginning of the
here,
year.
or
Beginning
something.
of the year.
Yeah, I
I
saw
heard
tickets
it
were
was
on sale. Yeah.
Got controls
So
on
they
the
built 20 of
console.
these. We bought them all after they used them, and basically what happened is they took them out to Wyoming and like Landman, and they put them on the set in it's basically was a charity auction is what it was.
Right.
They basically pay $50,000 for like a 2-night or a 3-night stay in these, and then sign them, of course, and they're pretty neat. And obviously it goes for a good cause, and
Yeah.
I'm not sure if he stayed in this one or one of the other guys, but
Yeah, I don't know.
they had them at Landman, and then they also had them at Yellowstone for a while too. And
As long as there's no groupie remnants, I'd be okay.
I hope we bought them, and then this thing's $50,000 cheaper than what the non-Bourbon and Bonfire edition is on the internet. 40 to 50, depending on how it's equipped.
Cool.
So
Nice.
it's some upgrades.
What's this one on? Free?
Ford.
Ford.
It's a Ford?
Yeah.
So is it diesel
Gas
or
V8?
gas?
Gas.
Gas.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, man.
Yes.
Oh, pop up the
Trying to find an A or
No.
no?
Well, we're dreaming of an A, but
Okay. Well, they can be yours.
All right.